Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it before dinner.
Why are your toys all over the floor?
I was playing, but I'll clean them up now.
What time do you have to be at school tomorrow?
The bus picks me up at 8 a.m.
Can you help me with my math assignment?
Of course, let's sit down and work on it together.
Don't forget to pack your lunch for tomorrow.
I already packed it, Mom.
Can I borrow your headphones?
Sure, but please return them when you're done.
Did you take my charger again?
Sorry, I needed it. Here it is.
Let's play a board game tonight.
That sounds fun. Which one should we play?
Why are you in my room?
I was looking for my book. Sorry for not asking.
Can we share the last piece of cake?
Okay, but you cut it evenly.
Who's doing the dishes tonight?
It's my turn, but you can help if you want.
Can you take out the trash before it gets too late?
Sure, I'll do it right now.
Why didn't you fold the laundry?
I got busy, but I'll do it after dinner.
Have you cleaned your room this week?
Not yet, but I'll clean it tomorrow.
Let's work together to organize the garage.
Good idea. We can finish faster that way.
What should we cook for Dad's birthday?
He loves pasta, so let's make that.
Are we inviting anyone else for the party?
Yes, just a few close friends and family members.
Who's decorating the house for Christmas?
I'll handle the lights if you do the tree.
Do we need to buy more groceries for the barbecue?
Yes, we need more buns and drinks.
When are we leaving for Grandma's house?
Around 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Are we driving or flying to the reunion?
We're driving, but it's only a 3-hour trip.
Who's packing the snacks for the trip?
I already packed chips and sandwiches.
Can we stop at a rest area on the way?
Sure, we'll take a break halfway through.
Did you book the hotel for our vacation?
Yes, we're staying at the Beachside Inn.
What's the plan for sightseeing tomorrow?
We'll visit the museum in the morning and the park in the afternoon.
Why do we always eat turkey on Thanksgiving?
It's part of our family tradition.
Who's saying the prayer before dinner tonight?
It's my turn. I'll keep it short and sweet.
Do we have to wear matching outfits for the family photo?
Yes, it's Mom's rule.
Can we stay up late on New Year's Eve?
Only if you finish all your chores first.
Why do we visit Uncle Joe every summer?
He loves having us over, and it's good to see family.
What do we usually do on Christmas Eve?
We decorate the tree and bake cookies together.
Why do we always open presents at midnight?
It's been our family tradition for generations.
Can we make gingerbread houses this year?
That sounds fun. Let's buy the supplies this weekend.
Who's in charge of wrapping gifts this year?
I'll do it. I love wrapping presents.
Are we going to sing carols again this year?
Yes, it's everyone's favorite part of the night.
Why do we always have cake and balloons for birthdays?
It's a way to make the day special and memorable.
Can we invite my friends for my birthday this time?
Sure, but let's keep it small.
Do we need to light candles for the cake?
Yes, it's a must for making a wish.
Can we play games after the birthday dinner?
Of course, we'll plan a few fun activities.
Why do we always take family photos on birthdays?
So we can look back and remember these moments.
Why do we celebrate the Lunar New Year with a big feast?
It symbolizes abundance and good fortune for the year ahead.
What's the meaning of giving red envelopes during New Year?
It's a way to wish good luck and prosperity to others.
Can I help hang the lanterns for the festival?
Yes, let's do it together this evening.
Why do we clean the house before the New Year?
It's to sweep away bad luck and make room for good fortune.
Are we going to the parade this year?
Yes, it's one of the highlights of the celebration.
Why do we always have roast turkey for Thanksgiving?
It's a traditional dish that brings the family together.
Can I help Grandma with the stuffing this year?
She'd love that. Ask her for the recipe.
What's the secret ingredient in Mom's pumpkin pie?
It's cinnamon. She always adds a little extra.
Are we setting the table with the fancy plates again?
Yes, it makes the dinner feel more special.
Can we add a new dish to the Thanksgiving menu?
Sure. What do you want to include?
Why do we go camping every summer?
It's our way of spending quality time together in nature.
Can we try a new campsite this year?
Sure, let's research a few options.
Why do we always visit Grandpa on New Year's Day?
He loves starting the year with all of us together.
Can we do a family game night once a month?
That's a great idea. Let's start this weekend.
Do we have to wear matching pajamas on Christmas morning?
Yes, it's part of the fun tradition.
Why does everyone dance to the same song at family weddings?
It's a tradition that started with Grandma and Grandpa's wedding.
Can we make a slideshow for Mom and Dad's anniversary?
That's a wonderful idea. Let's gather old photos.
Who bakes the anniversary cake in our family?
Aunt Sarah always bakes it.
Are we giving a speech at the anniversary dinner?
Yes, it's a way to share special memories.
Can we decorate the garden for the party?
Yes, let's use fairy lights and flowers.